60 degrees.
Yeah, no, but this is not the Insta 360.
If you want to use, you need the information in Astra TFC.
Okay. But this is not a 360 camera.
Okay, but they don't know, so okay, never mind.
But it's not a 360 camera, so it's...
No, never mind.
It's a silly argument. My taxi ride. Okay. All right. Caught in Cambodia.
It's getting cold.
Hey, what the hell? Great taxi service. In the rain. Woo. Guess we'll have to wait this out. No problem. Okay, we're here in Siem Reap, Cambodia, capital of the Angkor or Khmer Angkor civilization, a medieval empire that thrived within this region well beyond just the Cambodian political borders of today. And we're going to go to first the famous, very famous Angkor Wat, very iconic. See later on in the video what I'm talking about. It's the largest religious structure in the world. Apparently it can be seen from outer space. I don't know if that's true or not, but regardless, we're going to go and explore it and have a good time. See you there. Adios, muchacho.
What's next to you?
Oh, this is Jen. She's quite the gem. She's here for the first time in Cambodia, going to enjoy the vast history and beauty of this beautiful country. I think Cambodia, what is it? The Pearl of the Orient, Jewel of the Orient, Opal of the, I don't know, whatever. Anyways, so yeah, we're here to explore together. Yeah, this is your first time?
Yeah, this is my first time.
Oh, fantastic. So not like Philippines, right? It'll be something completely different. You'll see lots of Hindu, Buddhist structures all around. Oh, this is new, I think. Well, since the last time I came, I don't remember having to take a photo. But yeah, there we go. We need to buy a ticket. Need to take a photo. Good for 2 days, even though it's a one-day pass. Yeah. They didn't really get my good side. Well, that's difficult to find anyway. All right. All right. Let's get going. Love the Cambodian hat. Okay, so as we saw earlier, we're going to Tap Ram, which was famously shown during that, what was it, the Angelina Jolie action film Tomb Raider, based on a video game in the 90s, where she walks in one of the temples. But the iconic features of the area is these trees have been growing over all these stones and so forth. Anyways, you'll see. But the last time I came here, there was musicians over there. So what they do is they'll play music. Here we go. And if I'm not mistaken, all of them are people that were lost a leg or lost a limb due to the mines during the Khmer Rouge era. Let's see. got the tree there that's like... Okay, so we're about to enter the main area of Taprom, where the famous trees are growing over the ruins. In fact, here's one example of it. Look at this tree that's actually growing on the causeway. Like right down to the roots.
Yeah, right here. Yeah, give 1 second. Right, I was just... Is it two?
I don't know how it is with like the big temple. I went to that one yesterday and had like
And you
long
had pants.
pants just to be safe.
Yeah.
I think it's above the knee.
I think it's also the main temple, whereas
Yeah.
everywhere else you're fine.
Yeah, I think so.
When I first came here in 2006, you were able to walk the causeway. Actually, yeah, 2006, came again 2009, and then when I came in 2018, they closed it and made this plastic pontoony thing. And doesn't look like they'll ever open that. She was following you. So when I came here the first time in 2006, Christmas of 2006 roughly, you were able to climb these. In fact, some of them even had wooden planks on them to make it easier for you. But they were completely open, so you can go all the way to the top, and then from there was another courtyard that you can enter. But I believe they stopped this. I can't remember because I came again in 2009. For some reason I can't remember if I was able to climb it. I remember there was a lot of scaffold at that time. And then 2018 definitely weren't allowed, so they cut it quite a while ago. But yeah, it's unfortunate because it's pretty amazing in there as well. It's a good climb. And there's some fantastic bas reliefs inside as well. Very, very impressive. And it's pretty good climb there to get your blood rushing. Okay. Mm-hmm.
Can I see your camera?
Yes, it's not wide angle, don't worry.
DJI?
Yeah, but it's not wide angle.
But the law,
Yeah?
DJI cannot use all the temple
No?
because it's personal to 180.
Yeah, I know. This is less than 180 degree. Look, you can see. It's less than 180 degree.
But it's a rule.
Yeah, but it's a rule if it's more than 180 degree, but this is not 180. It's not wide angle. See, look. Here's my hand here, and here's my hand here. Yeah, you can see. There. Look. It's not wide.
Okay.
Yeah? Not wide.
Yes, may I take a picture?
You can take picture, no problem. Go ahead. Go ahead.